Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have a little master lock for you guys to take a look at. Let's get zoomed in here a little bit. So this little guy is a little master lock. There's the keys. This is not too, or kind of flatter bitting, not one low on there, but it's not too bad a bitting. But anyway, this is a little master lock number 425. You can kind of see that on there. So the really interesting thing with this one obviously is the bumper isn't, it's not a plastic bumper, a little metal bumper. But the really interesting thing is the shackle on this guy. I kind of nicknamed it myself. I nicknamed it Stubby. But anyway, so the oh, the zoom is so close. There we go. Okay. So the interesting thing is it does work. Obviously, this is a little 4-pin lock. You can tell, so it's not too bad of a master lock, but I think it's a spring-loaded core, but the shackle's not spring-loaded, but the shackle comes completely out. So when I first saw these, I'm like, oh, that's kind of cool, little master lock, little cute little guy, and I kind of thought, well, what the heck would these be used for? I was like, I have no idea. So I started looking it up, and I found out that they would be used for something like this. This is another master lock that's in the package, and this is what they call an outboard motor lock. And you can see how the short little shackle goes through there, and then the master lock sits inside this thing. So this is a different master lock. This is a master lock 430, but I mean it's the same size, same thing. So that's what these would be used for, is you would go inside there, and I'll show this off later on, but different video, but it basically is a lock to lock up an outboard motor on a little boat. So anyway, that is what they would be used for. So let's get this guy picked open. So here, of course, we'll show it again where it does work. That shackle comes completely out, which is kind of cool. Ugh. If I can make it work properly. So anyway, there we go. So all it takes for this is, just like most of my other master locks, I'll just be using one of these Z wrenches or bicycle scope wrenches, whatever you want to always call them, and then just a little short hook from Jimmy Long's. So anyway, there we go. We'll put that in the bottom of the keyway. It is kind of a little tricky there. I mean, just a little bit of tension, not too bad, just like any other master lock. Work my way under 3, get a good click there. Work my way under 4, get a good click there. Let's try 2, get a good click there. And number 1, stay on number 1. There we go. And the shackle goes flying. So that's what it took. And it is open. Anyway, so that's what we have for you guys today. Little master lock number 425. And, well, this is the box that it came in. Anyway, so good I have the box too. Okay, I'm interrupting. I forgot I finished the video and forgot I was going to show the size of this guy. So this is just a little hair under 40 millimeters, and this is the comparison to a number 3 So, I mean, a pretty cool little lock. Anyway, so I just wanted to kind of interrupt my video with my future self to show that. So here we go. A little comparison to a master lock number 3. Anyway, back to the other video. Thank you everybody for watching. Make sure that you are subscribed and that you like this video, and leave comments down below. Tell me what you think of my little master lock that I've nicknamed Stubby. Anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day.